To navigate through the user menu, you will need to unlock the keypad, then press and hold the Set button for 3 to 5 seconds until the display changes and FdC will appear. FdC is for humidity enhancement. To access this folder with FdC on the display, press the Set button and release it. The factory setting is set to 1. Before making any changes to this parameter, it would be best to know what the humidity level is in your cellar. Increasing the setting will have the evaporator fan run after the unit has stopped cooling to allow the fan to blow some of the moisture on the coil to try to enhance the humidity in the cellar. If needed, you will want to raise the setting by increments of 5, but no more than 15 minutes, and you should wait a minimum of 3 days before making any other changes. This setting is only beneficial if there is still moisture on the coil. FOF is for the evaporator fan off. It is factory set at 15 and it is not recommended to change it. Using the FdC setting will accomplish having the fan run after the cooling cycle if needed. FON is for the evaporator fan on. This is factory set at 0. Using the FdC setting will accomplish the same result.